What's up guys, Maxi P here. Welcome back to our channel where everyone is a good one, and today we are going to do a weird video. Today I am going to do funny sneezes. I just came up with it. So, let's get into it. But first, I have to do my singing. God save our eminence, long live our eminence. God save our eminence. Send them victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over chocolate. God save Eminem. Thank you. So now we have to do funny sneezes. The loud one. Achoo! The small one. Achoo! The fall over one. Achoo! I'm okay. The happy one. Achoo! That was a great one. This is the way I choose to do this video. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, let's move on. The absolutely tiny one. I thought the other one was tiny. This one's even more. Big Bertha. I'm the Bertha. Do do do. I'm the Bertha. I really do. Look at my monkey. Okay, here's the Big Bertha sneeze. Oh, dude. Oh, that was a big one. The sad one. Oh, where's the sad? I'm just really sad. This one is to stand up, sit down. Achoo! 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 There we go. Achoo! So angry. All I wanted was to eat goat poo. By the way, can I show you a clip of a little girl? It was so funny. There's a new video coming up. We went to Mallorca and there was like a little funny girl at the entertainment. She was like one and it was so funny. Come here.
Come here. Enjoy putting these things together. Really? Can we help them anyway? You can put the kettle on. I'll have a nice cup of tea with 6 sugars.
Yeah.
Everyone is preparing tea and biscuits for Mr. Zebra.
Tea time, Mr. Zebra. Oh, wow.
Mr. Zebra has built the toy cupboard.
My goodness, that was great. Yes, and I've put all your toys in there too.
Thank you, Mr. Zebra.
But there's no room for these last two.
Oh, Teddy and Mr. Dinosaur. Where are the two ones live?
Why not simply order another easy-to-make cupboard?
No! I've got a better idea. Teddy and Mr. Dinosaur can live on your beds.
But, Mommy, that's where they lived before.
Yes, I know. And such a good idea.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
She coughed in her face.
Peppa Pig.
So guys, that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.